So imagine you're in a service, right? And the preacher is preaching, or you're in a band somewhere and the singer is talking. They're not really singing, they're talking. And there's not much going on, but then the band is providing like some kind of background music, like this. Then you're on the drums and you're doing stuff like this. As it happens, or as it should happen, from time to time, the music might be increasing in energy. The singer might be saying something, or the preacher might be saying something like, and the Israelites came out of Egypt, and they looked back and saw Pharaoh's army coming. And the keyboardist is doing some extra stuff, right? But you can't just be like that on the drums. You need to put in a little bit of extra. So what will you do? No. So now that we know that that is not what you do, what can you do to sound tasteful and yet keep the soft vibe of the music? Let's find out. Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. Today's video, first of all, thank you so much for all the likes, the comments, the support you guys have been showing. I truly appreciate it. Keep doing what you're doing and I'll keep doing what I'm doing. If you would like to join the Player Nation, become part of the nation of players, hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every time there's a new video. Let's move on with the video. Today's drum lick is simple but tasteful. It's supposed to be played when the music is really soft, but you're moving in intensity from soft to loud, coming back to soft. It creates some sort of a transition. So it goes like this. And I know what you're thinking. That sounds easy. But if you stick with the video, at the end we'll play it with music and you see how we can place it in different arrangements such that it sounds tasteful. Because ultimately every lick is probably good. It's how you play it. It's not what you play, it's how you play it. So the first part of the drum fill is made up of 4 notes and you would play them on the snare drum like this. Yeah, so note that the notes, did you get it? Note that the notes. So note that the notes would need to be played with some level of dynamics. Oh, they wouldn't be played at the same level. You would play it from a low volume to a high volume. So it goes low to high, like this. The next part of this drum fill is a flam. A flam is like 2 notes that are played at the same time, but it gives some sort of a sliding feel. But you will see what it looks like. So it's a flam and a kick. So flam kick. So it sounds like this. So then you put the 2 together and you get this. So before we move to the final part, this video is brought to you by the Drum Chops Builder app. As always, if you would like to save this drum fill and other drum fills like this on your phone so you can practice later. There's a link down in the description. You can download the app for free and save all your drum fills, and it has a lot more features that would help you as a drummer to improve and get better. So check it out. Download for free. The link is in the description. Okay, let's move to the final part. So the final part is 3 hits on the hi-hat and 2 hits on the kick drum. And the last kick on the kick drum, you would crash with the cymbal. So ba-bam, crash with the cymbal. So it looks like this. So now you put everything together and it looks like this. So this is cool and all, but then how does it place within the context of music? So let's play this with some music and see what it sounds like. Sounds good, don't it? Don't it? Doesn't it? Do not it? That's what it is. And you can also use it as a stop, right? A stop is like when they break the music, when the singer is like, let's break it down. Break it down for me. Break it down for me. Bam. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you're staying safe. Follow the safety guidelines and keep your masks on, drink water, wash your hands, all the good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are really the best audience on YouTube actually. The Player Nation is the best audience on YouTube. If you would like to join the Player Nation, hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every time there's a new video. And that's pretty much it. Random solo section coming out.